Root is a technology insurance company that focuses on personal insurance, primarily in the U.S. auto insurance market through a direct-to-consumer model. Root states their approach prioritizes fairness by measuring individual driving performance using technology and data science, which sets them apart from traditional insurance companies. Their goal is to disrupt the U.S. auto insurance market with their innovative technology-enabled approach that offers ease of use and fair pricing. The company characterizes the insurance industry as a large and ancient market that protects important assets worldwide. Although innovation has been slow within the property and casualty insurance industry due to legacy systems and institutional friction, Root believes that technology-driven shifts are coming, with embedded insurance and improved pricing and delivery methods. Root's business model focuses on providing user-friendly customer experience through their app, which is available on both iOS and Android operating systems. The app offers a convenient and efficient experience by allowing customers to easily identify the coverage they need, pre-populate with a customer's owned automobiles and existing or prior coverage terms for easy selection of policy terms. Root also extends its mobile engagement across the entire customer experience and value chain, including underwriting, profile creation, policy management, claims filing, and tracking processing status through to settlement via the app. This approach allows them to leverage both traditional underwriting variables and their proprietary telematics platform to offer the best price to their customers while making it easy for customers to file a claim and track its processing status. Root opportunistically distributes through mobile, web, and partnership channels to meet customers at a high point of intent. Their direct digital channel efficiently captures high-intent customers by connecting them directly to their product. Root also uses referral and channel media channels to encourage existing customers to spread their value proposition and build consideration and drive intent. In partnerships, Root builds upon the mobile and web customer experiences of distribution partners to reach a captive customer base with an embedded solution, which they believe will have increased penetration over time. Additionally, they continue to invest in an efficient quote and bind process through their agent platform for simplified distribution from agents to customers. The company operates a capital-efficient business model that utilizes various reinsurance structures such as excess of loss and quota share to prioritize revenue and targeted profitable customer growth while maintaining regulatory capital requirements. They source efficient capital to support customer acquisition costs and mitigate the impact of large losses or tail events. Their capital management framework also includes a wholly owned reinsurer, Root Reinsurance Company, Ltd., and multiple strategic business partnerships with leading global reinsurers. Additionally, they use technology to measure risk based on individual driving performance, collecting and analyzing massive amounts of behavioral data to price auto insurance more accurately and fairly, resulting in better risk profiling and consistent value for their customers. Root's strategy focuses on penetrating the U.S. auto insurance market by executing the auto opportunity, improving pricing through data science, enhancing marketing efficiency, expanding partnership experiences, and growing their national auto insurance presence. They aim to develop additional growth opportunities in the long term by expanding product offerings and considering investments, acquisitions, or partnerships for improved competitiveness. Their investment portfolio mainly consists of cash equivalents, and fixed maturity securities like U.S. Treasury securities, corporate debt securities, mortgage-backed securities, municipal securities, and other debt obligations. The company manages the investments according to approved policies and guidelines that balance current yield, capital conservation, and liquidity requirements. Root believes it can compete in the insurance industry even against established national insurers such as Progressive and Allstate, based on its platform and business model utilizing behavioral data collection and machine learning. Root relies on telematics and data collection for their pricing and underwriting process. So while it is beneficial for their business model, it can be affected by legislation and regulatory concerns surrounding privacy and fair usage of driving behavior data. They are limited in their abilities to offer cost-competitive insurance policies in California due to Proposition 103 and could face similar restrictions if other states pass similar laws. Private organizations have established guidelines and principles to protect driver privacy, which may impact Root's business operations. There's also potential for regulatory fines and sanctions if federal or state regulators determine that Root's data collection process unfairly discriminates against a protected class of people. Another aspect associated with Root's approach to be cautious of is their partnership channel. Because there's always the possibility of failing to maintain effective commercial arrangements with partners like Carvana or attracting customers to their insurance offerings. Speaking of which, check out the video on Carvana, which a lot of people unfortunately missed, even though it came out at an opportune time. Then, since Root relies heavily on search engines, social media platforms, digital app stores, content-based online advertising, and other online sources for attracting consumers to their website and mobile app efficiently and cost-effectively, any changes in these third-party listings or increased pricing may negatively impact Root's overall business operations. Similarly, competition and regulatory changes can affect Root's marketing strategies and customer acquisition costs. Meaning, as Root continues its efforts to grow in the insurance industry, it'll need to stay on top of attracting customers through digital channels, while maintaining partnership channels and being cognizant of regulations surrounding customer privacy and data collection. For more on Root and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.